Hello dear student, in this tutorial we will see the introduction part of division of decimal number, and after that we will go for exercise 2.7. So here our first point is division by 10, 100 and 1000. So in this division process we will take only one example. Here there is a decimal number. If we divide by 10, then how we can solve? If you understand, once you understood this, you can easily divide by then 100 or 1000 also. Then in the exercise part we will discuss that. So here we will see how we can solve the example. So here 31.5, it can be written as 315 divided by 10, so that we can remove the decimal point, and here division is there. So what happen in the next number, it is better if you change the sign. Here it is division, you do multiplication, so next number will be the reciprocal of its number. So here this is numerator and this is denominator. So in the reciprocal it will be opposite. Denominator number, suppose numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. So when you calculate the reciprocal, it will be 3 upon 2. So here same case will be there, it is 1 upon 10. Downside there is no number means 1, so its reciprocal is 1 upon 10. Now we can easily solve. So its multiplication is like this, 10 into 10, 100. So our answer is 3.15, because after 120 means after decimal point 2 number. So in this way we can easily solve. Now for the second topic, division of decimal number by whole number. So if you get the numbers like that, then you can easily write here 64 upon 10. Again you change the sign. Here reciprocal of this is 1 upon 2. Then what happen? As you know, 64 is a 64 can be divided by 2. So you do that. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and then 2 twos are 4. So here it is nothing but 32 upon 10. Got that? So it means it is 3.2. So in this way you can solve that. Third one is division of decimal number by another, means both numbers should be decimal. So first you remove the decimal point. So write the number divided by 10, and here 0.5. So 0.5 it can be written as 5 upon 10, because after point only one number. Then in the next step, write number as it is, change the sign, so it will be the reciprocal. Now here 10 10 equal numbers, so cancel. 255 upon 5, here 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, then remainder will be 5, so 5 ones are 5. So here its answer is 51. So in this way you can use this concept in the exercise part. So now we will go to the actual exercise. So here in exercise 2.7 of class 7, question number 1. So the first question is 0.4 divided by 2. So it is written as 4 upon 10. Why it is 4 upon 10? Because after point one number. While solving this, I told in the introduction, division you have to convert into multiplication, and this number will be its reciprocal. So this number you have to focus. This number is divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So our answer is 2 upon 10. It means it is what? 0.2, because 1 0 is there. So after point one number, so it is nothing but 0.2. Then for the second question, write number upon 100, because after point 2 number. Reciprocal, because we are changing sign, 1 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So it means the answer is 7 upon 100. 7 upon 100 means 0.07, because 2 0 are there. So after point 2 number should be there. So answer is 0.07. For the third question, write complete number without the point divided by 100. Reciprocal is 1 upon 4. So this number will be divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 here, and here 4 6 are 24 and 4 2s are 8. So 62 upon 100, it means 0.62, means 0.62. Next one, write number upon 10, reciprocal 1 upon 6. So here you have to divide this number 6 5 4. 6 ones are 6, remainder is 0. Taking at a time two numbers, so here 0 is there. 6 into 9 is 54, remainder 0. So here our answer is 109 upon 10. So it means after point, how many number? 1. So it is 10.9. Next question is fifth one. Writing number without decimal point upon 10, reciprocal is 1 upon 4. So you have to divide this number. Here I am dividing 6512, which is divided by 4. 4 into 1 is 4, remainder 2. Upside taking one number 5. 4 into 6 is 24. Remainder is 1. So from one side I am taking 1. 4 into 2 is 8. Remainder is 3. Upside taking 2. 4 into 8 is 32. So our answer is 1628 upon 10. It means 162.8. This is the answer. Next one is 14.49. So write as it is upon 100 into 1 upon 7. So you have to just divide this number, which is divided by 7. 7 into 2, 14. Directly taking two number because 4 is not sufficient, so here 0 will be there. 7 into 7 is 49. So answer is 207 upon 100. So after point 2 number means it is 2.07. Next one is 396 upon 100, reciprocal is 1 upon 4. So this number is divisible by 4. So here 4 ones are 4, and here 4 into 9 is 36. So remember, remainder is 3. So downside 36 will be there. So again 4 into 9 is 36. So here it is 99 upon 100. So answer is 0.99. Next question, write 80 upon 100 into reciprocal is 1 upon 5. So you can cut this number by 5. 5 ones are 5. Here also 5 ones are 5. Remainder will be 3. Then take upside 0. So 5 into 6 is 30. So here 16 upon 100. So the answer is 0.16, means 0.16. Then after this we will go to the next question. So our next question is question number 2. Here the first one is 4.8 divided by 10. So you have to remove its decimal point, 48 upon 10. Change the sign and do its reciprocal, that is 1 upon 10. So in this way you have to simplify that, and then do multiplication downside. 10 into 10 is 100. So its answer is 0.48, means 0.48. This is the answer because here 20 is there, so after point 2 number. Right number without point, downside 10 is there because after point 1 number, into. So here we change the sign. So 10 reciprocal is 1 upon 10. So 525 upon 100. So its answer is 5.25 because 20 means after point 2 number. Then third one we will solve. Here 0.7 is there. So you write 7 upon 10 into 1 upon 10. So its answer is 7 upon 100. So it means after point 2 number. So here you insert 0 because only one digit is there. So it is 0.07. Then here 33.1. So write number without point, which is divided by 10 into 1 upon 10. It's a reciprocal of number. So downside 10 into 10, 100. Upside 331. So its answer is 3.31. Fifth one, write first number without point. So after point, two numbers, so which is divided by 100. Reciprocal is 1 upon 10. So it means downside how many 0? 3 0 if you do multiplication. 2 7 2 2 3. Now here in answer you first write number as it is. So 3 0 means from right hand side you count 3 number 1 2 3 and here you give point. It means after point 3 number, because as here we have 3 0. Here write number upon 100. Why? Because after point 2 number into 1 upon 10. So 56 upon here how many 0 will be there? 3. 1 2 3. So finally here 0 5 6 and here you give point. Why we are giving 0? Because 3 0 are there, but here only 2 numbers are there, 1 2. But here we need 3 numbers, so that's why here we should insert 0 and then give point. Next question is write number without point. 397 upon 100 into 1 upon 10. So downside 3 0. Write complete number. 3 0 means after point 3 number. So we are writing number as it is. Here you should give point. So in this way we solve this question, and I hope you understood this. Then in the next tutorial we will see the next question.